Hi, my name is James Whitlow Delano. I'm a documentary photo storyteller. And lately I've been thinking a lot about what it is unique I have to offer. After over 3 decades of producing and publishing fact-based photo stories, I thought it might be interesting to break down that process for you. With all the disinformation now, I think it's more important than ever. But first, let me introduce myself. So once again, my name is James Whitlow Delano. I've worked with many of the best publications in the world. I've published several award-winning photo books, exhibited my photographs on 6 continents, and I love to pass my knowledge on to others. In 2016, I founded Everyday Climate Change on Instagram. Subscribe and join me to demystify the photo storytelling process.